Hey guys, what's going on? Paul here, and in this video what I am going to show you is how to store your ontology on your Ledger device. Either the Ledger Nano S, which is out now, and the Ledger Nano X will be the same, I would presume. So if it's different, I'll do a video when that is actually released. I already done a video showing you how to store your ontology on the Owallet, which is your desktop wallet. It allows you to stake, to earn your ONG as well. And this is going to be very similar, only the only difference is in the last video, the only thing securing your wallet was a password that you set up, whereas this time it will be your Ledger device, which means that the only way to move funds from that wallet is to have physical access to your Ledger device. So it's a lot safer than just having a password that if your laptop is hacked or anything like that, people could get access to your funds. So the first thing you need to do is download the Owallet. I will put a link down below this to the video I already done showing you how to use the Owallet, how to set it all up. So you can download that and set it up. The next thing you need to do is get your Ledger and install if you haven't already, install. Okay, so I just had to log into Ledger Live there and also put in the password on my Ledger. So once you are in here, what you need to do, again, Ledger Live is something I may do a video on if people would like to see that. Come over here, just like I done in the Cardano video. In that one I search for Cardano. In this one you search for Ontology. Now there is an ONT here that's a version 1.2.1 and there's Ontology that's version 1.2. I'm going with Ontology because that's what I've used before. This may be a newer version and they just put the wrong name on it, or it could be different people submitting them. I'm going with Ontology, which is the one that I know. So you install that on the device. Once you have it installed, you will be able to see, if I show you here, you will be able to see there's Cardano, Ethereum, and then there's Ontology. So that means that you're all set up as far as the Ledger goes. Then what you need to do as well for when you're getting the Owallet, make sure you go to the official GitHub for Ontology, ONT.io, and then it's Owallet is the wallet. Currently the latest wallet out is version 0.9.7. So what we do then is go over to the Owallet, open it up, enter. So what you have here is individual wallets, shared wallets, and Ledger. So Ledger is the one we'll concentrate on here. Individual, I have some coins in here just as a test, or I should update the balances. That could give you a shock when you come into your wallet first and you see nothing in it. For me, at least, this is a test wallet. So I've got Ontology. I have got a small bit of ONG for the gas then as well. So I can send these into the Ledger wallet to show you how that works. One thing that I didn't go over in my first video was when you have the funds in here, you see we have unbounded ONG here. So it's accumulating the ONG, but that will only become claimable when the next time you have an ONT transaction on this wallet. So you will probably see that once I transfer funds out and transfer funds back in, you will see this becomes claimable and then I can redeem it. So what I will do here is send some of these funds. Actually, we have to set up the Ledger wallet first. So we go over to Ledger, say connect Ledger. I'm going to give it a name, so test video. For me, it doesn't need to be Neo compatible for this, depending on if you're moving old tokens in. At this stage, I think that could be deprecated. I'm not fully sure. So it says please connect your Ledger. So Ledger is connected. I press, actually going over to the Ledger, you need to go into the Ledger app and then you see it says hello ONT, ready to connect now is the status. Connect. So this is the wallet, has now been created. You can see it's an empty wallet. Actually it recreated, because I'm using my Ledger, it has just opened up the old wallet that I had before this for testing as well. You can see there were some quick transactions on it just to check it all out. So what I want to do is I want to receive. So I'm going to copy this address here. I'm going to go back over to the individual wallet, go into test here. I'm going to, we'll refresh the balance. I'm going to send to amount cannot exceed, where am I? Ontology. Yeah, so I'm going to say 2. The fee is coming up as 0.01. That's a big advantage that it has on the likes of Binance or exchanges where they're charging 1 ONT to actually do a transfer. So the address is the one of my ledger. Click on next. Input the password to complete. What password did I use here? As it's a test wallet, I can't fully remember. Go with this one. Confirm the assets, amount, and receipt address are correct. Click submit. And the transaction has been sent successfully. So when I go over to my Ledger wallet now, let's see how quick this actually is. Again, it's picked up the Ledger wallet. There is my ontology already here. So I actually need to put in some ONG if I'm going to send this back out to show you how the transfer differs when you are using the Ledger. So I need to send to the same address. I'm going to send some ONG. I'm going to send 0.5 ONG. Click on next. I confirm this address. This is the amount. Again, I need the password and submit. So there we go. Transaction successful. Okay. Now this button here, back over to wallets. Back to Ledger wallet, into the Ledger wallet. It checks that your device is connected. So now you can see I have some ontology, I have some ONG for my gas. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to send these funds back to the other wallet, which is an individual wallet. And you can see actually when I transferred out the ONT that the ONG that was unbound became claimable there. So what I will do now is copy the receiving address here, go back to wallets, go back to Ledger wallet, and now I'm going to send funds from here. So I go into send, I'm going to send 1 ontology from here. The fee again is 0.01. The address goes in here, click next. I confirm all of this, and you can see here that it is not asking me for a password this time. So it's saying device status ready. So if it doesn't say ready for you there, you need to go over to your Ledger and go into the ONT app on the Ledger. So click submit. And actually what it's not telling you on the screen there now is there's a message on the Ledger. So let's go over to the Ledger, and you guys should be able to see this on the screen as well. It's asking me to sign the transaction. So again, it's the 2 buttons on top to sign. Once you do that, transaction has been sent successfully, and that's it. So there you go. That's how you use your Ledger. And the only way to access these funds, if I disconnect my Ledger, you will see I will not be able to access this wallet then. So when I come in to go test video, log in with Ledger, Ledger not open. So there's no way to access these funds without the Ledger, because the private keys are stored on the Ledger and they never leave the Ledger device. So this video probably went a little bit longer than I meant, but hopefully it has been of some value to you. If it has, give the video a like, give it a share. If you're not subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I will talk to you guys very soon. Thanks for watching.